Good morning guys, my name's Alex and welcome to my winter van life daily vlog. Time to drop this one off at work. And disturb my morning routine.
Come on. We're late. Come on.
Now I'm gonna head back to camp and finish off my little morning rituals.
You want coffee? Oh, baby, dogs and everyone together, singing and playing and doing stuff. Yeah, we all love each other. He's making it with the beans and shit. Look at right, people. Excuse me, stop it now, doggos.
What's going on? Hi Josh.
Oh, right there, big man. How's it going? Looking all cozy. Look at him. Oh,
Ted. I feel like I need an aim for the day.
yeah, I was thinking about that last night. I want to try and get up earlier. Like,
Yeah.
it's hard to. See, if you're my age, you get up early.
I was in uni, so no. Get that discipline for the first alarm, which I said to myself I was going to do this morning, but I didn't.
Maybe if up the mountain I might get like a Irish coffee or something.
Irish coffee. I'd love an Irish coffee, mate.
Or maybe a wee 𝐬𝐻𝐻.
Yeah. Dryjan for me though.
Oh yeah, you got dryjan. Yeah, I was meant to be doing that.
How long did you last?
14 days.
Did you 14 days? Yes.
Yeah. I think it translates through your life. You know, the stickability thing. Like if you're really determined to like stick like just 1 month.
Yeah.
And like it will translate through the rest of your life. So
well, that's it exactly.
Stickability,
yeah.
won't it?
It's not just about obviously it's good not to drink for a month.
Yeah.
But it's the active, like, it builds in your subconscious that you're saying I'm going to do something and you stick it through and you do it.
Yeah.
So then like it can translate to you know, fitness or like a business idea or anything. Like you build your tenacity for stuff. It is important for me to like not drink for a month for drink too much through December, and then it's nice to have that detox, isn't it, through Jan. But I do think more importantly it's the act of sticking to your word.
Yeah, sticking to it.
And it's something that's quite a task, isn't it, to do, if, you know, if you're an alcoholic.
But do you find it easy?
Most of the time. Only because like I feel so much better getting up in the morning and stuff like that. But there's times like obviously when,
like today, just having like one wee beer up the mountain or something.
that's going to be hard not to do. Yeah. However, I think in 10 days' time, I've got my hip flask there. I've got a bottle of 𝐬𝐻𝐻 and I'm just going to smash up the mountain every day. Black jumps.
Yeah, I think you could probably do like a week every month. Would be a cool thing as well. Like,
yeah, that is the thing as well. It's after this, keeping something going. We had this this plant's called the code me and Marcella did, and we had it. So we could only drink at weekends.
Right. A pact.
Yeah. What was it? It was I don't know. It's like so we could drink only at weekends, and then I think it was like once or twice in the week.
Right.
But then we had credits. You had like I think 2 or 3 credits for the whole month. So if like if you'd like drank once in the week and you drank the weekend, but then it was someone's party. Yeah. Like shit, and you just use one of your credits. Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Which in theory it really works out well, but it didn't work out. So, I
haven't used all my fucking credits. You're a liar.
we're even on about trading credits at the end.
I don't think it's that hard to not drink all during the week. Well, for me personally.
No. Yeah,
I find it harder.
We drink too much really, and it's I don't know. It's being in Tarifa though as well, like on the beach, Tarifa, on the beach, living next to
a cold beer.
Living next to the beach bars.
Have you ever had the sangria?
I don't like it. No. Do you know sangria is British?
I thought it was Spanish.
Yeah, I know. It sounds Spanish, no? But apparently the Brits invented it. I don't know. Do you reckon that's true?
No, it probably is.
Let's see if it's true. Oh yeah, ever wondered where sangria came from?
Are you reading about that sangria?
Yeah.
That's a Duracell battery. There's a Duracell battery. Right, hang on. Is that a Duracell battery there? Oh no, it looked like
It does the same.
Yeah, from the side I was like, it's not Duracell. If you look at it from this angle, it just looks pure Duracell. Like,
Yeah.
what was it going to say?
I just want, like, you know, one would answer like England, America, Spain, but it's fucking
It's a
paragraphs
paragraph,
and
like,
paragraphs.
Of who
My advice for drinking sangria. Get down here. I'm not reading about that anymore. We're meant to be at the mountain at 10, but it's like 12. Bit of food before we go up. So for a while I've been like thinking that my toes are hanging over my board too much and it keeps like catching when I'm carving and stuff. Well, I'm gonna drop my phone.
Just what?
Which it doesn't look so bad, but so I thought, right, I'll try. We'll swap some boards around. Look at those things. It looks like he's trying to build a penis in that. That one there.
It's a big tube. Look,
it's
like a massive tube. Like, fuck, that resembles Michael.
So we've been swapping boards around and I definitely need to get a different board. It's a bit small basically. My feet are too big for me. Size of me.
Yeah, your feet's like that. My feet's like
Yeah.
nothing, man.
So tomorrow I'm going to be going around the shops in town so we can get a bigger board. Second hand bike. And swap this. It'd be nice to be able to swap this one really. Look at the views, guys. Hello. There's Morzine back there. And there's the brother and Elliot. Do you not want to slide down there? Icy, eh? Chica mala. Hey, babies.
Oh, it's stinky. Like, me that pizza last night. Right, but. Right. Yeah, so those dogs could probably.
Fuck! Fuck! Jesus!
Yeah, it's not good. Like, you see what we ate last night? It's just good. Whatever's gonna
It's
come
that
out of
that
it.
cheese was bad, wasn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Oh.
Yeah, nice, huh?
Hofmeisters? I wonder if she's film. Did you give her that pizza?
Yeah.
It's okay, little doggy. I feel the same.